In this video, we will learn how to solve linear equations in two variables with substitution method and elimination method. First, we will discuss how to solve by substitution method. So let us take the first example. X minus 8 equal to 2y. X plus y equal to minus 2. This is equation 1, equation 2. So in substitution method, what we have to do is, any of the equation you select. Then write x equal to in terms of y or y equal to in terms of x. Then that value to substitute in the other equation. Any of the equation we can select. So here I am selecting the first equation. First equation, x minus 8 is equal to 2y. So from this, I can write x equal to 2y plus 8, right? X equal to minus 8 will go other side, so 2y plus 8. And this value of x, I have to substitute for x in the second equation. So in place of x, I have to substitute 2y plus 8. So 2y plus 8 plus y equal to minus 2. 3y plus 8 equal to minus 2. 3y equal to minus 2 minus 8 equal to minus 10. So y equal to minus 10 by 3. Y we got. Now to get the value of x equal to 2y plus 8. So this y value we got minus 10 by 3. That we have to substitute here for y. So x equal to 2 into minus 10 by 3 plus 8. So minus 20 by 3 plus 8. 3 is the LCM. So multiply both the term with LCM. So minus 20 plus 8 into 3, 24, all divided by 3, which is equal to 4 by 3. So x equal to 4 by 3, y equal to minus 10 by 3. This is how we will solve by substitution method. Pause the video and note it down. Now, same way we will do the second equation also. Let us see. Equation 2. 4x minus 1 is equal to 2y. X plus 1 equal to 3y. This is equation 1, equation 2. Now observe both the equation. So in the second equation, it is very easy. X equal to 3y minus 1 we can write. So x equal to 3y minus 1. Now substitute this value of x in equation 1. So equation 1 will become what? In place of x, you have to put 3y minus 1. So 4 into bracket 3y minus 1 minus 1 equal to 2y. Opening the bracket, 12y minus 4 minus 1 equal to 2y. Bring the 2y this side. So 12y minus 2y is equal to 10y. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. 10y minus 5 is equal to 0. 10y equal to 5. 0 plus 5, 5. Y equal to 5 by 10 equals 1 by 2. So y we got. Now substitute for y here and find x. So x equal to 3 into 1 by 2 minus 1. So 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 means what? 1 and a half. 1 and a half minus 1 is what? Half only. Or if you take the LCM, 3 minus 2 whole divided by 2, you will get 1 by 2. So both x and y are 1 by 2 here. X equal to 1 by 2, y also 1 by 2. So this is how you have to do substitution method. So all other you can do in the same way using substitution method. Now, next is elimination method. Question 3. 5x minus 2y equal to 27. 3x plus 2y equal to 30. In elimination method, what you have to observe first is coefficient of x and y. And you have to find out whether the coefficient of x or y are same, irrespective of the sign. So here coefficient of x is 5 in the first equation and it is 3 in the second equation, which are not same. Now come to y. Coefficient of y, the absolute value is 2 in both, same number, but sign different, minus 2 and plus 2. So one negative integer and one positive integer of same value you get. No, when you add, you will get 0, right? Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So when the coefficients are same with the different sign, you have to add both equations so that y will get eliminated. Let us see. 1 plus 2. So 5x plus 3x, 8x minus 2y plus 2y will become 0. Cut. Equal to 27 plus 13, 40. So x equal to 40 by 8 equal to 5. Now we got x. Now you can substitute this value of x in any of this equation 1 or 2. Here I am going to substitute in equation 2. 3x plus 2y. So 3 into 5. X is 5, no? Plus 2y equal to 13. 15 plus 2y equal to 13. 2y equal to 13 minus 15. Don't write 15 minus 13 always. The term in the RHS you have to write first when you transpose from LHS to RHS. So it is minus 2. So y equal to minus 2 by 2 equal to minus 1. So x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 1. So only thing you have to look is the coefficient equal, and if it is opposite sign, you have to add both equation to eliminate it. Clear? Next example. Now, fourth one. 2x plus 5y equal to 12. Next, 2x plus 3y equal to 8. Now, when you look into the equations, it's very, very clear that the coefficient of x are equal. Both are 2 and both are of same sign. Both are positive. Same sign. When same sign comes, you have to substitute because 2 minus 2, then only you will get 0. No, 2 minus 2 only you will get 0. So you have to subtract it. So 1 minus 2. So subtraction means what? Change the sign and add. So make it minus, minus, minus. Then add. So 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 3, 2y. 12 minus 8, 4. So y equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. Now substitute for y in any of the equation. Here I will put in the second equation. So 2x plus 3y, 3 into 2, 6 equal to 8. 2x equal to 8 minus 6 equal to 2. X equal to 2 by 2, 1. So we got the answer x and y. So when same sign comes, we have to subtract. Different sign comes, we have to add it. Now question number 5. 6x plus 2y equal to 9. 7x plus 4y equal to 12. So when we look in the two equations, we find that the coefficient of x or coefficient of y are not equal. So how can we make the coefficient equal of either x or y? So here, coefficient of y, when you look 2 and 4, 4 is a multiple of 2. That means if you multiply the first equation by 2, 2y will become 4y. So let us multiply the first equation by 2. So it will become 6 into 2, 12x plus 2 into 2, 4y equal to 9 into 2, 18. So let us name it as equation 3. Equation 2, no change. So just write it below equation 3. Now we got the coefficient of y, both are 4 with the same sign. Both are positive. So subtract 3 minus 2. So when we subtract, change the sign and add. So 12 minus 7, 5x. This is 0. 18 minus 12, 6. So x equal to 6 by 5. X equal to 6 by 5. Now let us substitute the value of x in maybe the first equation. Let us substitute. So x equal to 6 by 5. So 6 into 6 by 5 plus 2y equal to 9. So 36 by 5 plus 2y equal to 9. 5 is the LCM. Multiply all the term with LCM. So we will get 36 plus 2 into 5, 10y is equal to 9 5s are 45. So 10y equal to 45 minus 36, which is equal to 9. So y equal to 9 by 10. Clear? Little confusing as the fraction answer is in fraction. So have to do very carefully. So x equal to 6 by 5, y equal to 9 by 10. Next one. Question number 6. Minus 7x plus 4y equal to 41. Minus 5x plus 6y equal to 45. Now look both the equation here. Coefficient of x not same. Coefficient of y also not same. So, and the coefficients are not multiples or factors. It is not like that. So what we can do? Two options are there. If you want to make the coefficient of x same, then you have to multiply first equation with the 5. That is the coefficient of x in the second equation. So this minus 7 will become minus 35. Then second equation you have to multiply with the 7. So minus 5x will become minus 35. So both will become minus 35. That is one option. You can do in that way. Or if you want to make the coefficient of y equal 4 and 6 are the coefficients. What is the LCM of 4 and 6? It is 12, right? So instead of multiplying the first equation by 6 and second equation by 4, it is little more easy if you make both 12 instead of 24. So first equation multiply with 3. So 4 into 3, 12y will become. Second equation you can multiply by 2. So 6 into 2, 12 will come. So you can opt any of this choice. Either make the x coefficient by equal or y. So here I will show you by making the coefficient of y equal. So equation 1 I will multiply with 3. Equation 2 I will multiply with 2. So minus 7 into 3 minus 21x. 4 into 3 12y. 11 into 3 not 11 sorry 41 into 3 123. Equation 3. Now second equation with the 2. So minus 5 into 2 minus 10x. 6 into 2 12y. 45 into 2 90. So we have to multiply both the equations here. Now coefficient of y are equal here 12 12 with the same sign positive. So let us subtract 3 minus 4. So change the sign and add. So minus 21 plus 10. Minus 21 plus 10 is minus 11x. This is 0. 123 minus 90. 33. Simplifying, x equal to 33 by minus 11, which is equal to minus 3. Now substitute the value of x in any of the equation here, either in first equation or in second equation. Let me substitute in second equation. Minus 5x. So minus 5 into minus 3. plus 6y equal to 45. So minus 5 into minus 3, positive 15. 15 plus 6y equal to 45. So 6y equal to 45 minus 15, which is equal to 30. And y equal to 30 by 6, which is 5. So x equal to minus 3 and y equal to 5. Clear? Next one. Six over. Now, seventh one. Y equal to 2 by 3x plus 6. And second equation, 2y minus 4x equal to 20. So first of all, we have to rearrange them in the correct format, that x and y in LHS, constant term in the RHS. So the first equation is 2 by 3. The coefficient is a fraction. So what you have to do is first multiply all the term with the 3. So it will become 3y equal to 2x plus 18. Now rearrange. So 2x, when you bring this side, it will become minus 2x. So minus 2x plus 3y equal to 18. This is the first equation. And here 2y minus 4x. So let us write the minus 4x first. So minus 4x plus 2y equal to 20. Equation 2. So again here coefficients are not equal. But if we multiply the first equation by 2, it will become 4. So let us multiply the first equation by 2. So we will get minus 4x plus 3 into 2, 6y equal to 18 into 2, 36. Equation 3. And second equation, we will just write the equal to 20. Now, coefficient of x equal with the same sign. Again, both are negative. So again, you need to subtract them. So this will become plus, this will become minus, this will become again minus. So this is 0, 6 minus 2, 4y, 36 minus 20, 16. So y equal to 16 by 4, which is equal to 4. Now substitute in any of the equation. 3y, let us substitute here. So 3y, 3 into 4, 12. 12 equal to 2x plus 18. So 2x equal to 12 minus 18, which is equal to minus 6. X equal to minus 6 by 2 equal to minus 3. So x equal to minus 3 and y equal to 4. Clear?